Welcome once again to the Millie Long Show. Mine's Millie. What are we doing today? We are assembling the birdhouse. Let's get into it. Oops. Okay. Whoa. Okay, I got this part glued. Now, let's put it on. Yeah, flip it. And then this. Now I'm gonna put mine because I finished it. And we assembled our side pieces of the birdhouse. So now I'm gonna do the front. We were thinking of the same thing. I was thinking of that. She's picked up that, and now we're doing the same thing. Okay, let's do the glue. Okay, put it here. On the side. I'm gonna put it under. Right here. Oop. Stripped a little. It's okay if it drips a little, because all it is glue. But we're using Gorilla Glue. We need to be careful. Oh, and if y'all know that TikTok, my hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. My hair, it don't move. Yeah. Okay. That's enough of dancing. Now let's, because this is Gorilla Glue, because it will dry. Oh. Okay, let's do that again. Oh. Okay, I finished gluing it. Other way. Thank you, Millie. Ooh, that's okay. My turn. That's cool. That's cool. Now let's do this little part, Millie. Okay, just a second. Need help? Sure. Okay, let's turn it this way so I can see it. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to glue these little parts, and these little parts go on the bottom of it. That was easy. Okay, I just need to add a little more, and then I'm going to be done. Okay, that's done. I know this is just a little piece, but it's going in something, so I'm going to just glue that part right there. I'm done. Whoa. Ooh. Kind of hard. Yeah, it's kind of hard. Okay, the birdhouse is almost done. All we need is the roof. The roof is the only thing that needs to be done. So, I'm still working on putting the paper towels on the back. I was showing y'all the wrong way. But all we need is the roof on, and it dried pretty simple. Okay, now we're gonna glue the roof. We need to glue the top, this part, because this part goes on like this. Yeah, it goes on like that. So we gotta glue the top, cause and we gotta glue the inside because these parts go like that. Yeah. It's the strongest. Just kidding. It has glue that's way stronger than Gorilla Glue. Way stronger? Don't believe that one. Ooh. Okay. Even though I'm the one who said it, do not believe. What was that? Almost done. I like going over it to make sure it's done. I take this parts that are on the side, and then I put it in
I did this.
I did mine. Okay. Okay. I need a little more simple glue on there. It looks like it's drying. Okay, to make sure I'm gonna go over it with glue, cause to make sure you need help? No, I'm just trying to turn it this way. Well, thanks for asking. To have help? Yes. Oh, got it. I just need the other side. I asked for help again. He is helping me because I need help with the other side. Other side. It's the other side. You got the help. It's the other side. And the birdhouse is not finished. Almost. Almost. Maybe. Actually, it is. Maybe. At least the gorilla glue. Oh, I was about to. Oops, wrong way. Okay, I assembled it. Now it's time to go over it with glue. Ooh, and after this, we're gonna hang it up outside. Yeah, I'm gonna. Hang it up. What you just say? My cousin Dolores. Okay, guys, we just love songs. Oh, and we love dancing also. Okay. We'll do the front. So that side's finished. Now we just need to do that. I'm gonna do the inside right here. We're done! We're done. Now we're gonna hang it up outside. But first, we have to wait till it dries. We can't just hang it up on a tree. Because it might fall. So here's the finished product. But, you know. And there's the actual like bird hole. But we can't hang it up outside because birds might go see it, and then they might go inside. Little mini birds might go inside. Or bugs. Ooh, there's a lot of space inside. Even flies. They might just hit the glue and they're stuck for it. We're probably going to put some bird food in here and a little cup in the corner. It's going to be real cute. But we're not a bird's house like a sofa. Just kidding. There's no such thing as bird sofas. Oh no. Okay. Hi. Welcome back to the Ilana Show. So we have this here because we don't want it to fall this way or fall back. So we put it in a stable spot. And the bird can also get hurt if you put it like this. And then it might fall, and the bird might get hurt falling backwards or forwards. It doesn't matter which way it falls. We just have to be really careful. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and hit